What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Polkadot is a project that has been absolutely crushed recently by the market-wide correction that we've seen. This is a top project that is down 72.5% in the past few weeks, which is absolutely insane. We've actually come back and retouched lows that we haven't seen since the start of January, which is absolutely insane. Obviously, as we can see, Polkadot has basically been in a massive downtrend, as with the most cryptocurrencies, but Polkadot doesn't seem as though it's recovering that well as we've seen so far. It's only up around, let me see here, 83% from the low that we saw for it a few days ago. And whilst this may seem good, there are other projects like Polygon that are almost back to their all-time highs already. And Cardano and other smart contract platforms like Ethereum are bouncing back very well as well. But Polkadot doesn't seem to be bouncing back that well from what we can tell. From a technical standpoint, you can see we've got the bearish cross here, as we can see, with the red 50 EMA flipping the 20 gold EMA. And ever since then, the price action has been down. We have actually got the bullish cross here, and we've broken out of this channel that we've outlined here, which are 2 bullish indicators that we are bottoming out. We did see lower lows here though, which is a slight concern, but we do think this is potentially just due to overextension in the market. But Polkadot doesn't look as strong as other projects that we've been taking a look at recently. And as we can see, these EMAs were dangerously close to reflipping to a bearish sentiment, as we can quite clearly see here. It did seem as though Polkadot was doing really well. It was really trading up nicely, hit an all-time high basically a week or so ago. It was trading nicely up inside this channel, but obviously the market-wide correction has since basically led Polkadot down very drastically with the entirety of the market. But we are seeing a breakout now, and we are flipping bullish for Polkadot, which does seem to be a very good sign for investors. As we can quite clearly see, we are making higher highs and higher lows. So it does seem as though we probably will continue something like this for some time, maybe bouncing off these points of structure and resistance. As we can see, we're currently struggling at around the $24.50 level, which seems to be a strong area of historical resistance and support. We did actually wick down to this area here with the swing high structures. And as we can see here, this was a level that we couldn't actually break on the bounce. It did see Polkadot basically rolling over to make lower lows there. But as we can see now, it does seem as though we're making higher lows and higher highs. And hopefully what will happen is we'll form an ascending triangle here, which will break to the upside for Polkadot. And once this happens, we'll be targeting this next level, in our opinion, of around $30, as we can see here, and hopefully flip this level into support. If we can come up and retest this, maybe form another ascending triangle and move up again into the next bracket, we would really like to see Polkadot back into the $30 to $40 range sooner rather than later, because as we can see, Polkadot's been absolutely crushed recently, and other smart contract platforms like Cardano specifically are bouncing back very nicely from the recent lows, and Polkadot just doesn't seem as though it's recovering that well. And considering that it's essentially a blue chip project that is probably going to be around for many years to come, it does seem as though it's probably going to stand the test of time. It hasn't actually bounced back that much. And I mean, what a potential opportunity for the future. When you consider that Polkadot in the next 10 years could be $1 trillion project or more easily, considering that the market cap is currently around 20 or 30 billion, picking up some Polkadot basically at a 50% off from its all-time high in a bull run as well. 52%, look at that. It seems like a massive opportunity, especially for a crypto that will be as established as Polkadot. It's launching its mainnet soon. It's got a ton of projects that are going to pour over onto it. There's going to be a massive narrative surrounding all the projects that launch on these new smart contract platforms. We've got Ethereum 2.0 coming in the next year or so, and also Cardano and Polkadot's mainnets are both launching in the summer. So these projects are going to be bouncing back very, very nicely from what we can tell. And considering that we don't believe for a second that the bull run is over, we definitely think that Polkadot is going to start to do some very, very nice price action very soon, because it's not been performing that well, as we can see. It hasn't really ran that much in the past few days. As we can see, it's up around 82%, which is a very nice bounce from the bottom, but it does look as though it's in danger of going sideways a bit here. We're not really threatening to break this $24.50 level with any certainty right now. So hopefully we can break through this, basically tackle some of these next areas of resistance, maybe bounce around in this level and break them, flip them to support and continue up the levels. Basically what we want to see is, in the next month or so, Polkadot heading back towards these all-time highs at around $50. And we do think if that's the case, then our long-term price target for Polkadot, of around $400 to $500 could be easily achievable, which would be around a 10x from the all-time high or around a 20x from the current price. So considering how established Polkadot is and the amount of projects that are going to launch on it very soon once its mainnet goes live, you have to think about all the projects that are going to port over to Polkadot as well. So it's very important to remember that Polkadot is a blue chip cryptocurrency, in our opinion. This is a crypto that is going to stand the test of time and do very well. So getting some of these discounted rates could be a massively good entry point for investors, essentially. Not financial advice, but we do think Polkadot is a massive project. We do want to see it hitting these $50 levels again in the next month or so, maybe in the next few weeks, depending on how well the market bounces back. So we can continue seeing this V-shaped recovery that we want to see for Polkadot, so we can continue to more all-time highs. Long-term price prediction, we do think $300 to $400 very easily achievable for Polkadot in the next year or so. Maybe even $500 to $1,000, depending on how much hype and adoption that its mainnet gets when it goes live. But it remains to be seen how far it can go. So we'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only 20% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.